Welcome to the Learn R project on MatrixDS. So I put this project together to help people get started learning the awesome statistical programming language R. So as you can see here, this project is fairly simple. It's got a basic description here that tells you how to get started, and I'm going to walk you through that here in a second. And then you can see it's also a collection of folders. We have an example of our Markdown, an example of Shiny app that's here in this Shiny server. You can see here. And then in here we've got this get started R script and this tidyverse R script. So you can see here that we can navigate through these scripts here in the MatrixDS Explorer, but maybe what we want to do is start learning R. So first thing you're going to do is forklift this project. So come up here and forklift, and then we're going to create learn.r my new copy, just whatever you want to call it. And then when you hit create, it creates a new project, and you can come over here. And now since this is your project, you can make changes to it. You can make changes to the description. But more importantly, you can start building tools. Okay, so what we're going to do is you're going to build an RStudio tool. Come over here. You can see that I just clicked this plus button here in the Mungeon model section. There's R with RStudio. Just click on that, leave it on 1 core, 1 gig of memory. Hit create, and you'll see here in a couple of seconds, RStudio will pop up and it'll be ready to go. All right, it took just a couple of moments. Then when I click open, you'll see it will pop up in a new tab, and it will launch in your browser on an RStudio instance. And you can see the same files that we were looking at out in the Matrix project are now mounted as though they're your local directory here. And all you're going to do to get started is run this line of code. You're going to use Swirl, which is this really cool library in R that teaches you how to use R. So you can see here that I've got step 1, highlight line 12. So highlight line 12 and then press run. You can see you press run, it loads it in, and then it says, hi, type swirl when you're ready to begin. So down here, type in swirl, parentheses, hit enter, and then start following the prompts. And then by the time you're done, you'll have learned all of the basics for R. And when you're done learning swirl, come over here to the tidyverse script, and you're going to open this URL, which is Hadley Wickham's R for Data Science book, and you're going to start writing code down here. Your code following the book. Good luck. Okay. All right. Have fun. Looking forward to seeing you out on the forums. Enjoy learning R.